So for the last 3 dances on the tape, we're going to change the rhythm and put you into Latin American. The first of the dances we're going to do is the Sally Ann Cha-Cha-Cha. So we commence in close facing position. Now we start gent left, lady right with a basic. We've got basic cha-cha-cha. A lady's underarm turn, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. We both step back to face the line of dance, back, replace. Now we follow this with 3 cha-cha actions. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. As you'll see, that's similar to the chassis that we taught you at the beginning of the tape. So that's the first 4 bars. Let's put that together. So we've got basic cha-cha-cha. Under the arm and both step back. 1, 2, cha-cha 1, cha-cha 2, cha-cha 3. The only difference on those cha-chas to the chassis is that we haven't closed our feet. From here now, we're dancing an outward spot turn. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Now we go into a little step that's called follow my leader. I will make the first turn and then we simply go in and out following our partner. So we've got basic cha-cha-cha. I turn around to face the wall, 1, 2, and we cha-cha out. We both turn around to face the center, 1, 2, and we cha-cha in. We both turn again to face the wall, cha-cha-cha. The gentleman now dances a basic while the lady completes the turn, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. So if we just put that little follow my leader for you again. So we've got basic cha-cha-cha. The lady turns, he follows her out. We both turn, I follow him in. We both turn, he follows me out. He waits for me while I turn round. So let's put that all together from the beginning. So we've got basic cha-cha-cha. Lady under, cha-cha back. 1, 2. Cha-cha once, cha-cha twice, cha-cha 3. Turn on the spot, cha-cha-cha. Now we're into the follow my leader. She turns round, cha-cha-cha. Both turn, cha-cha-cha. Both turn, cha-cha-cha. Wait for your girl, cha-cha-cha. Now we're moving into 2 steps which are called New Yorkers, which is really like a checking action. We're checking through the middle, first of all down the line of dance, and then the second one is against the line of dance. So gents on his right, ladies on her left, and we step through the middle. We release the gent's left hand and ladies' right hand. So it's like down, replace, cha-cha-cha, down, replace, cha-cha-cha. We follow this with a zigzag, which of course, if you rewind your tape, you'll find in the glossary at the beginning. So gentleman right, lady left, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we put that onto the beginning, that takes us 3/4 of the way through. So gentleman left, lady right, we've got basic cha-cha-cha. Lady under, now both step back. 1, 2, cha-cha 1, cha-cha 2, cha-cha 3. Turn on the spot, cha-cha-cha. Here's the follow my leader now. She turns round, out we go. Both turn round, in we go. Both turn round, out we go. Wait for him, and cha-cha-cha. Through the middle, cha-cha-cha. Through the middle, now the zigzag, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Now we're going to dance another check, but we're going to change places on the chassis. So, gentleman's on his right, lady's on her left. We're going to release the hands again, but this time chassising across, lady passing in front. Check, replace, and cha-cha-cha to change sides. Gentleman now on his left foot checks forward, lady will check forward on her right foot and pass back to your own place. Check, replace, and cha-cha-cha. And we finish the dance with a spot turn, turning outwards away from our partner, gent on his right, lady on her left, spot, turn, cha-cha-cha. So we're going to put the last 4 bars together for you now without stopping. That's from our zigzag. Forward, side, behind to the side. Release the hold and check. Check, replace, and cha-cha across. Check, replace, cha-cha back, spot, turn, and cha-cha-cha back to our commencing position. So let's put it all from the beginning. So, into your closed facing, gentleman left, lady right, and basic cha-cha-cha. Under the arm, girls, cha-cha-cha. Both step back now, cha-cha once, cha-cha twice, cha-cha spot turn. Now we're into the follow my lead a bit, cha-cha-cha. Turn, girls, follow her. Both turn and follow him. Both turn and cha-cha out. Wait for the girl to turn. Through the middle, check. Now check against the line through the middle. Now the zigzag. 1, 2, 3. Check and change your side. Cha-cha-cha. Check and change. Spot turn. Round we go. Cha-cha-cha.